Hello and welcome to the fifth tutorial of the AML Bitcoin Wallet 2020. Today we will show you how our platform transaction security works, because actually if you want to do a transaction over 1000 ABTC, you have to approve it via 2FA security, so basically via your phone. You probably already know the deal, right? You basically just download Google Authenticator. It will ask you to approve it, you put in a code, and how all of that works I will show you in the next minutes. Alright, first we have to do a transaction over 1000 ABTC. Put in the receiving address, put in the quantity, that will be 1001. Put in the label, we put it up, security test. I will put sent. Will take a second to process. Now ABTC have been transferred successfully, and right now I will go to amlwallet.com. Will actually sign into my profile and go to transaction security, and here you can actually see, okay, date, time, the amount, which was 1001 ABTC, the transaction ID, the status is pending, and now my action has to be to approve it. Now all I have to do is go to approve, and now I have to put in my Google Authenticator code. You just open the app, the Google Authenticator, you will see a number here. I will just put this down quickly, go to submit. And as you can see, status is approved, ABTC have been sent, everything works. This is how our transaction security system works. Alright, thanks a lot for your time, and see you in the next one.